To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com. Hey, Gerard here with Music Nomad to talk about the 11-piece premium Guitar Tech truss rod wrench set. Do you have a lot of guitars? Do you work on a lot of guitars? Now you don't have to fumble around looking for that wrench. With unmatched versatility and organization in one rugged case, this works on most electric, acoustic, and bass guitars. With 6 Allen wrenches, 3 sockets, a spoke wheel tool adjuster, and a 3/8" bit blade, you have everything you need to take care of your truss rod adjustments. Wouldn't it be great if there was one truss rod wrench for all guitars? But we know that's not the case. There's so many different types out there depending on make, country it was manufactured in, year. Fender alone has 6 different types. This kit works on over 50 brands from Fender, Gibson, Taylor, Paul Reed Smith, Cordoba, Joe Knaggs, and many others. Some of the guitars it doesn't work on, which isn't many, is an acoustic guitar with a sound hole where you have to get inside and the truss rod adjustment area is at the heel of the guitar where you need a long wrench to get in there. We have that wrench at Music Nomad that'll reach in a sound hole and be able to adjust that guitar. It is sold separately. Let's take a look at what you get, starting with the 6 Allen wrenches. Made of premium strong carbon steel material combined with laser edge sizes on each wrench so you always know what you are working on. The sizes you get are 5/32, 9/64, 1/8", 3/16, 4mm, and 5mm. Each size has its own dedicated slot in the case, which is also marked with the size so you know where to put it back. Next are the 3 premium truss rod wrench sockets. Made with super strong carbon steel construction, we include the 1/4" size used on Taylor guitars and the 5/16 used for Gibson, PRS, and many others. There's also a 7mm which works on Korean and Japanese factory guitars from PRS, Charvel, Jackson, Ibanez, and Guild, just to name a few. Each socket wrench has a screwdriver with a magnetized tip to help control those little screws that hold down the truss rod cover. It's a great little feature to have. These wrenches also have their own place labeled to go inside of the case. Next is the specially designed for this kit spoke wheel adjust tool. You don't have to fumble around looking for that Allen that fits in there or go grab an ice pick to make your truss rod adjustment now. This works with MusicMan, Fender Elite, Charvel from Mexico, anything that needs a spoke wheel adjustment. Lastly, there's a 3/8" blade bit. This works for vintage Fenders, Eddie Van Halen models where you have to adjust at the heel of the guitar. This bit blade will fit in the 1/4" socket wrench so you're able to have a handle to make that adjustment. There's one more bonus feature. If you own the Octopus Handle already from Music Nomad, that will work by putting the 1/4" wrench inside to have extra leverage. You can also put the 3/8" bit inside of that 1/4" to have extra leverage, and it also works with the spoke wheel tool to have a handle to make that adjustment. So another thing, maybe you own a bunch of guitars, but you don't know the truss rod size for maybe any of them. Music Nomad took on the big task of researching over 75 manufacturers and came up with a database that lets you know truss rod wrench size and type for over 75 brands of guitars. This can be searched by model or make. You can go to trussrodwrench.com to find this information or musicnomadcare.com. And this is a great tool for any hobbyist, shop, repair tech, or anybody working on guitars. It is a great resource to have. I'm going to let you into a little secret. If you pick up the Music Nomad 26-piece premium Guitar Tech screwdriver and wrench set, and now you already have the 11-piece premium truss rod wrench set, you have everything you need to make your adjustments on your guitars. So next time you're trying to find the best way to adjust the truss rod on your guitar, reach for your 11-piece truss rod wrench set to get the job done. Music Nomad, raising the bar in equipment care. Thanks for watching another one of our how to use Music Nomad product videos. For more information on all our products, go to musicnomadcare.com.